Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, Pepe, we have an absolute golden gem going into a bull run that should be happening in a few months, and I'm talking about the altcoin season. And yes, you want to make money. So I am actually thinking, can I make loads of money? Well, the answer is yes, and I'm going to tell you why I think I can make a ton of money, and so will you make a lot of money from Pepe. Now, Pepe has been around for quite a bit. You know, for a meme coin lifetime, it's quite long. Not as long as Shiba Inu and Doge, but they are the godfathers of the meme coins. Yet Pepe has really hit the headlines last year because, you know, it came out with this first pump and people got very excited. They were like, what the hell, you know, 2 billion. We're not even in a bull run. Market wasn't looking that amazing, yet people, you know, those that caught it early managed to make a lot of money. And then a lot of news articles were circulating that this is just a rug and that those that went in early had insider information and so on, right? So people weren't that excited. But in March, again, we saw a nice pump of meme coins. You never know when those pumps are going to come. And guess what? In March, it happened. Maybe because of everything that happened with the Bitcoin ETFs, you know, the market really wanted to actually start pumping. And here we had it. And memes just absolutely exploded. It went crazy. It went mental. And Pepe has shown all of you what it can do. You know, it went as high as 3 billion in 24 hours. Absolutely insane, right? Insane. Now, this, ladies and gentlemen, as I say in every single video, this period of time is just a little sneak peek, right? Of course, it was going to drop down and dip because we're really peaked high. But it was just to show you a little small percentage of what we're going to be seeing at the end of 2024. And that really got me excited because I thought, wow, this thing can move. It can move, and it can move so far. Now, looking at its market cap, you know, it stands at 2.2 billion as of now, which is a beautiful number because it shows that we can still grow a lot. As you know, in the last bull run 4 years ago, SHIB was around 40 billion, its peak market cap. Doge went to 80 billion peak market cap. So we're at 2 billion, right? When I say I mean those that are holding Pepe or looking at Pepe. So think about it. For it to go to SHIB's all-time high, that would mean it already does a 20x. And with Doge, it can do a 40x. But the only difference, right, I think it could go even higher, is that the bull run that is coming for this year following into 2025 is way bigger and stronger because there's more crypto users out there. So with statistics, in terms of statistics, let me spit you some stats out. In the last bull run, I think we had around 300, about 300 million crypto users. This year, about 575 million crypto users. So definitely the number is bigger. And another point that needs to be made is that the whole crypto market has so much more expanded. It's gained so much more confidence and credibility that now, you know, the biggest meme coins are getting millions and millions of dollars of investments. I mean, if you look at Shiba Inu, and I cover Shiba Inu loads, there are literally hundreds of millions of dollars being poured into Shiba Inu. So definitely the money is much bigger and people are, you know, taking, I would say, way more risk than before because the whole meme sector before was just unknown. And if you look at all the stories of those that made a ton of money, those were individuals that just put in a couple of $100, if max, you know, a few $1,000s. But now people are pouring in so much more money. So of course, you know, the average investor is willing to put in more money because they know that this thing can actually pop. It can go wild and nothing else is going to stop it, right? So do I believe Pepe can go very high? Yes, I do. Its market cap has so much room to grow. I wouldn't surprise if it goes to 100 billion. Pepe is extremely memeable. It's one of the most recognizable images there is in the world. I mean, it's been around for ages. I think it started back in 2005. It was used in the US politics. So much behind. I'm not going to go into lots of this detail. I leave it for another video. But the point here is that Pepe gets a lot of attention when it comes to meme coins. Look at this. So let me just open this up. When we look at the categories for memes, Pepe is up there. Pepe holds the 4th position below Dog with Hat. And most investors are going to be investing into the top 10 memes. I assure you that right now, that a lot of investors, they're going to be opening up charts, they're going to be looking at the top 10 memes. Because, yeah, if you scroll down, it becomes riskier and riskier. But the investors with more money, they also want to kind of reduce the risk. And I think, the higher you go up the list, the less risk. Because the 24-hour volume, the market cap, the amount of holders, that can kind of, compensate and hedge against a potential massive risk. So, of course, Pepe just stands out. And it's also on the radar of every single influencer out there. Look at every platform, every influencer. Everyone is talking about Pepe, Pepe's potential. And there are a lot of also millionaire stories in regards to Pepe. Think about it. Those that managed a month ago or 2 months ago to get hold of Pepe, they have pumped their bags. They have seen what it can do and they have spread the word. They have made videos about it. They have screenshotted, and many people believe that it can go way higher. Many people are sitting on massive profits, but they won't cash it out. Why? Because this thing is going to go much higher. When the capital starts pouring in from Bitcoin, Pepe is one of the first ones to receive it. The meme narrative is hot, it's trendy, and there is a room for growth. Okay? And I know I sound very passionate and I'm screaming at the top of my lungs and stuff, but guys, I can see it. And I hope you can see it as well. It has done the numbers. It sits at a very nice level and there's so much room for growth. But most importantly, let me get to the most important point for these crazy returns. Pepe still needs some exchanges. And the thing that moves the memes isn't some utility or use case. This isn't an AI crypto that is revolutionary or so on. This just came out as a joke and it just went crazy viral. But what memes can have, which can make them very, very strong, is the exchanges. Now, yes, it's got the biggest of all, Binance, but what it still doesn't have and what you still don't see on the list is Coinbase. Recently, Robinhood EU listed it, so the US version also will be listing it very soon. So if you don't have Pepe, you would be mad. Everyone's eyes are on Pepe. Everyone is talking about Pepe. It's already done the numbers. And for the amount of time that it's been around, I think it's done greatly. It's got many zeros. So again, it's going to be one of those Shiba Inu stories where it eliminated many zeros. I think it can do, get rid of 3 zeros as an example. So why not? Okay? Why not? Exchanges coming in. This is on everybody's list. We've got a Bullrun coming in. Money is to be made. And if you don't see it, if you don't understand, then what the hell are you even doing within cryptos? Because I can see it and I understand it. You are going to miss out if you just sit there and watch. You've already missed out on this. And many have missed out. Now it's dipping. And yeah, you're going to get the fudders now complaining and being like, oh, okay, well, it's dipping and so on. Who cares? This thing is gold. Look at this. 9,374% growth in 1 year. So 10,000% growth. And more is expected to come. So I do believe it has a lot of room for growth. And its market cap is going to break some resistance lines for sure. So let me know down below what you think of Pepe. How far can Pepe go? Are you looking for these exchanges? Because it's a matter of time until they get listed. And yeah, guys, I'm going to be looking at all the best meme coins as of now. Really putting out all the best, info for you. And so the least I can actually ask you to do, which would be very nice, is to subscribe, turn that notifications bell on, Let's get this info out there. Let's talk. Let's discuss. Also, don't forget, share, like, engage. And most importantly, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.